Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel T.NATH'S Physics class. Today I'll discuss 10 multiple choice questions that asked in CBSE class 12 physics paper. The exam held on 2nd March 2020. So let's start the questions. There are 10 questions. I discuss one by one with answer and their explanations. The first question, let's start. Photon of energy 1 electron volt and 2 electron volt are successively incident on a metallic surface of work function 0.5 electron volt. The ratio of kinetic energy of most energetic photoelectrons in the two cases will be. So there are four options. Option A 1:2, option B 1:1, option C 1:3, and option D 1:4. The correct option is C, that is 1:3. So how this answer has come? Let's start. So we know kinetic energy equal to incident energy and work function. What about data that given in question paper? We provide them one by one and we found as answer 1/3. So second question, which of the following statement is not correct according to Rutherford model? So it is a knowledge based questions. So first option, most of the space inside an atom is empty. The second option, the electrons revolve around the nucleus under the influence of Coulomb force acting on them. Option C, most part of the mass of the atom and its positive charge are concentrated at its center. Option D, the stability of atom are established by the model. The option D is the correct answer. The stability of atom was established by the model. So let's proceed the third question. The resolving power of a telescope can be increased by increasing. So there are four options: wavelength of light, diameter of objective, length of the tube, number D, focal length of eyepiece. Right option is diameter of objective. So how? So you know resolving power of telescope equal to diameter by 1.22 wavelength. So from this formula it is clear that resolving power increase with increase of diameter of objective. So let's proceed the fourth questions. The magnetic dipole moment of a current carrying coil does not depend upon. So options, number A, number of the electrons of the coil, number B, cross sectional area of the coil, number C, current flowing in the coil, number D, material of the turns of the coil. The right option is D, material of the turns of the coil. So how? We know that magnetic dipole moment M equal to NIA. N means number of turns, I means current, A means area. So from this one it is clear that if you increase the number of turns, then definitely magnetic moment will be increased. So question number 5. For a glass prism, the angle of minimum deviation will be smallest for the light of option A, red color, option B, blue color, option C, yellow color, option D, green color. The right option is red color. So how? So we know that angle of deviation is inversely proportional to wavelength. So we know that red color has maximum wavelength, so it definitely possesses the minimum angle of deviations. So option is A, that is red color. Question number 6. A biconvex lens of glass having refractive index 1.47 is immersed in a liquid. It becomes invisible and behave as a plain glass plate. The refractive index of the liquid is option A 1.47, option B 1.62, option C 1.33, option D 1.51. So right option is 1.47. How? It is only possible when the biconvex lens and water possess the same refractive index value. So under such condition, refraction and reflection never possible. Let's proceed to question number 7. The resistance of a metal wire increases with increasing temperature on account of option A decrease in free electron density, option B decrease in relaxation time, option C increase in mean free path, option D increase in the mass of electron. The right option is decrease in relaxation time. How? Relaxation time is inversely proportional to temperature, and again we know that resistance is inversely proportional to relaxation time. So if you increase the relaxation time, it is only possible. So if you increase the temperature, then relaxation time will be decreased, and automatically we know that resistance is inversely proportional to relaxation time, and relaxation time is decreasing. That means resistance will be increased. So let's proceed to question number 8. An electric dipole placed in a non-uniform electric field can experience a torque but not a option A force but not a torque, option B a torque but not a force, option C always a force and a torque, option D neither a force nor a torque. So the right option is C. So whenever you place an electric dipole in non-uniform electric field, so here due to net force will not be zero, so it definitely possesses the torque, and again due to the electric field it also experiences the force. So it means both torque and force this electric dipole possesses or experience. Okay. So question number 9. If the net electric flux through a closed surface is zero, then we can infer number A, no net charge is enclosed by the surface, B, uniform electric field exists within the surface, C, electric potential varies from point to point inside the surface, option D, charge is present inside the surface. The right option is A, no net charge is enclosed by the surface. How? Because from the Gauss's theorem we know that electric flux phi equal to q by epsilon naught, that is epsilon means permittivity. Since the value of net charge enclosed by the closed surface is 0, so since there is no charge, so flux will be 0. Okay. The question number 10, the last one. Kirchhoff's first rule at a junction in an electrical network deals with conservation of option A energy, option B charge, option C momentum, option D both energy and charge. The right option is B. This question is knowledge based. So these are the 10 multiple choice questions I explain with solutions. Thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Just push the red button icon. Okay. Thank you.